February 9th, 2013. We got the first real big snowstorm of the season, I think. I mean, we got a couple snowfalls, but this is looking pretty big. You can't really tell because it's a cell phone. It's pretty insane. How you doing, pig? Oh, baby.
Get it, Sparky. Go, 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 go. Go.
Sparky always loved the snow.
Get it, get it, get it.
Yeah, so far it looks like to be about
4.5 inches.
yeah, around 4 inches. Yeah, little pig wanted me to kick it. You see that? She always wanted wanted us to play with the snow. We used to have footage of her jumping 2 feet of snow and completely disappearing, but unfortunately my mom's digital camera was formatted, so none of that survived. Come here, pig. Bless you. You got the pond almost completely frozen over. Somehow the fountain's still running. Can't even see the water anymore. It's beautiful. You still want more? Yeah. It's like shooting her with the hose in the summertime. She just loves, I guess, playing and drinking water at the same time. What do you want? You can have some snow. Come here. Oh, baby. Well, it's Sparky signing off. I'll see you later.